Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create Telegram account by using phone number on Android. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to open the Google Play Store. So here I have my Play Store. Let me tap on it to open it. So it's now opened. So here we have this search box. Just tap on that and just do a search for this Telegram. Okay, so just type Telegram in this search box. Okay, so here we have the Telegram app. Just tap on it to open it. So it's now opened. Okay, so here we have the Telegram app from Telegram FZ-LLC. Just tap on this install button and you can see it's downloading the app. And it's now installing the Telegram app. So just tap on this open button to open the Telegram app. So it's now opened and here we have the message: Telegram, the world's fastest messaging app. It's free and secure. Just tap on this start messaging button. And here we have the pop-up: Telegram, please allow Telegram to receive calls so that we can automatically confirm your phone number. Okay guys, so just tap on this OK link. Allow Telegram to make and manage phone calls. Just tap on the allow. Okay, and just tap over here and just select your country. And after that just tap on, let me go back because my country is selected, and after that just write your country code. Please confirm your country code and enter your phone number. Okay, so just enter your country code and here you need to tap over here and enter your phone number. So I am entering my phone number. Okay guys, so I entered my phone number, and after that you just need to tap on this check mark at the top right. So I'm typing on this and you can see it's processing my request. And here we have the phone verification. We are calling. Okay, so you just need to decline this because here we have the message: don't accept the call. Telegram will process everything automatically. We will send you an SMS in 1 minute and whatever the seconds left. Okay, so just wait. Okay guys, 3 seconds left. And here you can see enter code. We have sent an SMS with an activation code to your phone. Okay, so it's verified automatically. So here you can see please enter your full name and upload your profile picture. Okay, so the name is required, but first name is required, last name is optional. So just type your name. So I'm typing mine. Okay, and after that you just need to tap on this check mark, this button at the top right. It's processing, and here you can see Telegram needs access to your contacts so that you can connect with your friends across all your devices. Your contacts will be continuously synced with Telegram's heavily encrypted cloud servers. You can just tap on this not now if you like, but I just tap on this continue link. Allow Telegram to access your contacts. Yes, just tap on the allow. Allow Telegram to access photos, medias and files on your device. Just tap on the allow. Okay, so it's now done and you can start chatting with your friends. Okay, you can see your contacts on Telegram. So I have all these contacts on my Telegram. Okay, so suppose if I like to chat with this guy, so you just need to tap on this and you can start chatting over here. Okay, so just write the message. Let me write that and just tap on this send button and you can see it is sending. Okay, So guys, in this way you can easily create your Telegram account on Android. And also guys, let me go back and tap on these three bars at the top left. Okay, and here we have the options like new group, new secret group, secret chat, new channel, contacts, saved messages, calls. Okay, so this is the menu. You can go to the settings also by tapping on this settings. Okay, and here you can add your profile picture, you can set your username, bio, notification and sounds, and other options. Okay guys, so in this way you can easily create a Telegram account by using phone number on Android. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks, bye bye.